Today we'll discuss the miscellaneous exercise of lesson 2. The first questions, it is mentioned that the relation defined by f of x is equals to x square and 3x. So on domain 0 to 3 the function is x square, and on the domain 3 to 10 the function is 3x. Similarly, the g of x is also defined as x square and 3x on different domain. The first domain is 0 to 2 and the second domain is 2 to 10. Means overall domain 0 to 10 is divided in two parts, like on a number line you can see the whole entire domain. This is 0 to 2 and 2 to 10 for this one. And in this question you can check the domain is divided. How? It is 0 to 3 and 3 to 10. What they have asked us? Show that f is a function but not z. Means f is a function, not z. Recall the definition of function, that every element in a domain should have image and that image should be unique. Then only the function, that relation becomes function. So we'll check the criteria. Look at the first one. The first function will find the image of 3. What is the image of 3? F of 3. Because 3 belongs in this interval. Look at this, less than equal to. So 3 included in this interval. So the formula to find image is x square. That is 3 square. So we got image 9. But 3 again included in the interval 3 to 10. So the rule to find the image is 3x. One more time, f of 3 is 3 times x, is 3 times 3. It also 9. So image of 3, in this case, we can check image of 3 is 9. Means by different rule we have calculated the image of 3, but we got the common image 9. What happened in z? Now look at in z. So z is a function which is a boundary point here 2. 2 is included in the first interval as well as second interval. So z of 2. So what will be the image of z of 2 in this function? X square means 2 square. Answer is 4. Okay, we got under x square, we got the image of 2 is 4. Now another relation is 3x. Under that we will find the image. Z of 2 is 3 times x, but you are taking x as a 2. So you got image 6. Compare these. Are these two the same images? No. What does it mean? The image of 2 under G, that is G of 2 is 4, G of 2 is 6. It means that 2 is related to 4 and 2 is related to 6. That's why one element have two images, 2 and 6. So therefore, 2 is having two different images. Isn't it? 2 is having two different images. So that's why what we can say, therefore z is not a function. Now check the second question of the miscellaneous. Whereas f of x is given as a x square, we are supposed to find f of 1.1 minus f of 1 upon 1.1 minus 1. Means we want this value. This value means f of 1.1 means image of this function at 1.1. We want image of 1. So we have the rule to find f of x. Here is the rule. So let's find the values. First we want a value of 1.1. So f of 1.1. Substitute value in this. So x is replaced by 1.1 square. What is the answer? 1.1. 11 square is 121. Isn't it? 121. So it is 1.21. Then we want f of 1 here to put. We will put x as a 1. 1 square. So it would be 1. So we got the images. We have the images of f of 1.1 and we have the image of 1. We'll put this value in the expression. What is the expression? Expression is f of 1.1 minus f of 1 upon 1.1 minus 1. We'll find the value of this. Substitute value of 1.1. It is 1.21 minus 1 upon 1.1 minus 1 is 0.1. The calculation is, this is 0.21 upon 0.1. Decimal moved by 2 digits to the right side. So it becomes 21 upon, we can add 1 0 here. So it is 10. So final answer is 2.1. This is the final answer. Okay, look at this third question where we are supposed to determine the domain of the function. Isn't it? Domain of the function. As I told you, in order to determine the domain of the function, function should be defined for all those values of x. So x की ऐसी वैल्यू चाहिए जहाँ पे फंक्शन डिफाइन होना चाहिए. जहाँ पे डिफाइन होना चाहिए सो उससे पहले मीनिंग पता चाहिए नॉट डिफाइन कब होता है फंक्शन. नॉर्मली इन रियल वैल्यूड फंक्शन बिकम्स नॉन डिफाइन, जिसका इमेज डिटरमाइन करने में डिफिकल्टी आ जाती है. दैट इज व्हेन द फंक्शन इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेशियो, डिनोमिनेटर इज 0, इन दैट केस फंक्शन इज नॉन डिफाइंड. सो डिफाइन होने के लिए डिनोमिनेटर नॉन ज़ीरो चाहिए. दूसरा, अगर फंक्शन रूट में है तो रूट के अंदर जो भी एक्सप्रेशन है दैट शुड बी पॉजिटिव. सो डिनोमिनेटर नॉन नेगेटिव, वॉट एवर इनसाइड द रूट दैट शुड बी पॉजिटिव for the defined function. So this should not be 0. For x square minus 8x plus 12 should not be 0. So we will factorize for which value this x becomes 0. So factorize 12 factors in such a way that the sum is minus 8. So what are the factors of 12? So the sum is negative 8. 6 2s are 12, but I want some negative 8. So your factors are x minus 6 and x minus 2 should not be 0. So that is x should not be 6 and x should not be 2. Means your domain is all the real numbers except 6 and 2. So except 2 and 6. So this is the answer. This fourth question, here also the same questions. Find the domain and range of the given function. In order to determine domain, हमें चेक करना होगा कि फंक्शन कहाँ पे डिफाइन है, कहाँ पे नॉट डिफाइन है. नॉर्मली आई हैव टोल्ड यू 2 केसेस वेयर द फंक्शंस आर नॉट डिफाइन, कि अगर रेशियो के फॉर्म में फंक्शन होगा तो डिनोमिनेटर 0 होगा तो फंक्शन नॉट डिफाइन होगा. अगर रूट के अंदर फंक्शन है और रूट के अंदर अगर होल वैल्यू नेगेटिव आती है तो वहाँ भी फंक्शन नॉट डिफाइन होगा. सो वी विल टेक केयर दैट फंक्शन शुड बी डिफाइन. सो इस केस में अगर फंक्शन को डिफाइन होना है तो रूट के अंदर जो भी एक्सप्रेशन होगा उसे पॉजिटिव होना होगा. सो दैट x माइनस 1 शुड बी ग्रेटर दैन इक्वल टू 0. It means that x should be greater than equals to 1. So this is the condition on x and that is the domain. we can consider this on a number line. So here is a 1. So your x is greater than equals to 1. So 1 को include करके till infinity तक जितनी भी वैल्यू आएंगी वो डोमेन में include होंगी. So in the form of interval I can write 1 to infinity. Now how to find range? As we have discussed, in order to find range, this is your domain. First of all, mention it as a domain. Now in order to find range, consider the given function y is equals to f of x. Here you have f of x as a root of x minus 1. हमने तो एक्सप्रेस किया. We want all possible values of y which satisfy the condition of domain. This is the condition of domain. Okay, we will consider this expression and we will express it in the form of x. इसको x में express करेंगे. So we will determine value of y. So squaring, root निकालने के लिए हमने square किया. So x minus 1. अगर x का वैल्यू चाहिए तो 1 को ट्रांसफर करिए. y square plus 1 is equals to x. So what does it mean? X is y square plus 1 आया. So this is the relation. लेकिन x के साथ कंडीशन भी है. x should be greater than 1. Your x means actually this should be greater than equal to what? 1. So डोमेन का कंडीशन हमने यहाँ पे यूज़ किया. So we will simplify this condition. ये जो कंडीशन है इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. So what will happen then? y square plus 1 is greater than 1. मीन्स जो कंडीशन x के ऊपर थी उसको हमने x को अप्लाई किया बट x को हमने कन्वर्ट किया y में. सो कंडीशन आ गई y पे. वही चाहिए हमें रेंज के लिए. वी वांट अ कंडीशन ऑन y. सो y स्क्वायर इज this 1 transferred on that side, so 1 minus 1 become 0. So y square is greater than 0. It means that y is greater than equal to 0. अगर इसको हम इंटरवल के फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस करेंगे y greater than 0 on number line check 0 including 0 onwards, so it is 0 to infinity. So what is the range? Your range is 0. 0 is included, so make it a square. 0 to infinity. So यहाँ पे देखिए फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है. अगेन फंक्शन f of x is defined as what we call this sign modulus of x minus 1. थोड़ा सा मॉडुलस का डेफिनेशन रिकॉल करेंगे. मॉडुलस ऑफ x इज डिफाइंड एज x इटसेल्फ. अगर x पॉजिटिव होगा तो हम साइन चेंज नहीं करेंगे, x का x रहेगा. लेकिन इसको हम निगेटिव x लेते हैं इफ x इज निगेटिव स्ट्रिक्टली लेस देन 0. अगर x डोमेन निगेटिव होगा तो इमेज लेते वक्त हमें माइनस एक्स लेना है. अगर डोमेन में x पॉजिटिव होगा तो वैसे के वैसे x रखेंगे. नो चेंज टू साइन. So simply we will follow the same rule for this modulus. Your domain. What is a domain? Domain तो simple होगा. Modulus is defined for all real numbers. So domain आएगा R. Always defined. Modulus function is always defined. So what about range? Range के लिए हम as usual let y is equals to f of x लेते हैं. इसमें f of x का रूल क्या है? मॉड ऑफ x माइनस 1. दिस इज. लेकिन मॉड ऑफ x माइनस 1 का बाय दिस डेफिनेशन हम दो पार्ट में स्प्लिट करेंगे. फर्स्ट केस y वुड बी, हम मॉड को निकाल देंगे. डायरेक्टली अंदर जो भी एक्सप्रेशन है उसको कॉपी कर सकते हैं एज इट इज़. लेकिन कंडीशन होगी इफ़ ये वैल्यू अगर x माइनस 1 कैसे होना चाहिए? ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 0 होगा तो y का वैल्यू आएगा x माइनस 1. दूसरा केस, व्हाट इज द सेकेंड केस? y को हम लेंगे, इसको स्प्लिट करेंगे. सो y वुड बी निगेटिव ऑफ दिस. क्यों? अगर डोमेन निगेटिव होगा तो निगेटिव ऑफ x माइनस 1 इफ कंडीशन क्या है, x माइनस वन अगर स्ट्रिक्टली लेस देन 0 होगा। सो दो केसेस में हमने स्प्लिट किया इसे। सो विल सॉल्व वन बाय वन। सो y becomes x minus 1. What is the value of x then? X is y plus 1 if x is greater than equals to 1. So x के ऊपर ये कंडीशन है, ये x मीन्स हमें x की कंडीशन y पे लानी है। सो x is greater than 1. x means y plus 1 is greater than 1. So y plus 1 is greater than equals to 1. So y should be greater than 1 is transfer that side, subtracted becomes 0. So greater than 0, 0 onwards, real line पे 0 onward means 0 to infinity. So your range is 0 से infinity तक. We'll solve the second case. यहाँ पे y is equals to negative x plus 1 and your x, whenever your x is strictly less than 1, your y is this much. So minus x transferred on this side, so 1 minus y whenever x is strictly less than 1. Now x is strictly less than 1, but x means what? 1 minus y. So replace this x here. So 1 minus y also, x strictly less than 1, but x is what? 1 minus 1, strictly less than 1. So 1 is strictly less than. I will transfer this negative y on that side. 1 plus y. I will cancel, subtract 1 from both sides, so 0 is less than y. So your y is strictly greater than 0. On number line check. 0 onwards, excluding 0 को छोड़ के आगे infinity तक. So छोड़ के open bracket, your range is open bracket 0 onward up to infinity. So either whenever your x minus 1 is strictly greater than 0, 0 to infinity, और so इसमें कॉमन क्या आएगा? So इन दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है? इसमें 0 इंक्लूडेड है, इसमें 0 एक्सक्लूडेड है. हमें तो कॉमन